Hello guys, today we're gonna see how to transfer money with Alipay. It's really simple and really easy to do. The first step we're gonna do is open our Alipay app. Once we open our Alipay app, we're gonna click this button called Pay, okay? Right here in this section, we're going to click Pay. In the first menu or the first screen, we're gonna click Pay. Once we click Pay, here you can see a QR code, okay? The person who will receive the money will show this QR code, and you need to click this button right here called scan, okay? You're going to click scan to scan this QR code, and then once you scan this code, right here you're going to select the amount to pay to the other person. It's really easy to do, it's really simple to do. I hope this video was helpful. Please comment and subscribe.